Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the remaining portion of the lesson. Lesson number 4, healthy reproductive life. That remaining part, two topics are remaining. That first one is sexually transmitted disease. In short form, it is known as STD only. Sexually transmitted diseases are known as STDs. How we can avoid sexually transmitted diseases? As we know that sexually transmitted diseases are due to sexual contact between multiple partners. Sexual contact between multiple partners getting from the couple, other couple only. Female is getting from the male and male is getting from the female if they are infected with this disease. Spreading from the other couple only. So, first one is avoid sex with unknown partner. Unknown partner means we are not knowing that they are infected with the disease or not. So, avoid sex with unknown partners or multiple partners. Avoid sex with the unknown partners or multiple partners. Avoid sex with the unknown partners or multiple partners. Always try to use condoms during coitus. Always try to use condoms during coitus. Condoms are using, well, we learned condom as a contraceptive. We had already learned that condoms using then during coitus, condoms are using, then infection will not be spread to the partner. And third one is that in doubt, one should go to a qualified doctor. If we are in doubt that we are having like that in disease, any sexually transmitted disease infected us, then we should go to a qualified doctor for early detection. We are going to the doctor, then early detection is possible and get a complete treatment if diagnosed with the infection. If it is infection is there after diagnosis, any infection, then complete treatment should be taken. But majority of people are thinking that the sexually transmitted disease are something shameful for them. So they are not taking medicine from a qualified doctor. But it is not like that. Like any other diseases, if you are having any doubt, then you have to go to a qualified doctor for early detection and get a complete treatment if diagnosed with the infection. So how we can avoid sexually transmitted diseases? For that, first we know that how these diseases are transmitted. These diseases are transmitted from male partner to female partner or vice versa, from female partner to male partner during coitus. So, avoid sex with unknown partner or multiple partner. Avoid sex with the unknown partner or multiple partner. Second one is always try to use condoms during coitus. Always try to use condoms during coitus. In doubt, one should go to a qualified doctor for early detection and get a complete treatment if diagnosed with the infection. In doubt, one should go to a qualified doctor for early detection and get a complete treatment if diagnosed with the infection. So now we will be seeing more about the sexually transmitted diseases. Sexually transmitted diseases, in short form, it is calling as STD. STD is more familiar than sexually transmitted diseases, generally calling as STD. So, the meaning is sexually transmitted diseases. Diseases or infections which are transmitted through sexual intercourse are collectively known as sexually transmitted diseases or venereal diseases. Diseases or infections which are transmitted through sexual intercourse are collectively called sexually transmitted disease or venereal disease or reproductive tract infections. Gonorrhea, syphilis, genital herpes, chlamydiasis, genital warts, trichomoniasis, hepatitis B, and of course the most discussed infection in the recent years. So examples of sexually transmitted disease are gonorrhea, syphilis, genital herpes, chlamydiasis, genital warts, trichomoniasis, hepatitis B. So these are the examples. These are in recent years, these are the prevalent sexually transmitted diseases. So what is sexually transmitted disease? What is the definition given? Disease or infections which are transmitted through sexual intercourse. Disease or infections which are transmitted through sexual intercourse are collectively called sexually transmitted diseases or general diseases. VD, STD or VD. That is the definition. Or reproductive tract infection RTI. Examples of STDs are gonorrhea, syphilis, genital herpes, chlamydiasis, genital warts, trichomoniasis, and hepatitis B. The most discussed infection in the recent years are these are only HIV leading. HIV, all of you know. HIV is the virus, human immunodeficiency virus. What is HIV? Human immunodeficiency virus. HIV causing HIV leading to AIDS. AIDS also all of you are familiar. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. Virus it is HIV only causing the AIDS. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome are some of the common STDs. Among these, HIV infection is most dangerous. Among gonorrhea, syphilis, genital herpes, chlamydiasis, genital warts, trichomoniasis, hepatitis B, and of course, the most discussed infection in the recent year, HIV is leading to AIDS are some of the common STDs. So, virus causing AIDS is HIV, and the name of the disease is AIDS. Among these, HIV infection is most dangerous because it is incurable disease. Up to now, medicines are not invented. How it is COVID? Like that, up to now, medicines are not the virus disease only. How COVID is causing by the virus, like that is AIDS is also causing by HIV virus. So more about the AIDS discussed in the chapter 8 only. So now in this lesson we are giving importance to sexually transmitted disease. Some of this infection like hepatitis B and HIV, hepatitis B and HIV can also be transmitted by sharing of injection needles, surgical instruments, etc. with infected persons, transfusion of blood from an infected mother to the fetus. So what is the question? How infectious diseases are spreading like hepatitis B and HIV? Like that one question is asking. Then what we will be right? By sharing of injection needles, surgical instruments, etc. with infected persons. If we are sharing the needle already used for some affected person, then again that needle is using for us, it can be transmitted. And surgical instrument also. What are the instruments using in the surgery? If the person is infected, again that instruments are using, then also it can be transmitted. Next one is transfusion of blood. If the affected person's blood is transmitted to another person, then this disease can be occur. Or from an infected mother to the fetus. If mother is infected, blood is passing from mother to fetus. No, so no doubt that fetus also will be infected. So, which are the reason? By sharing of injection needles, surgical instruments with infected persons. These two are sharing. Which are sharing? Injection needles and the surgical instruments are sharing with infected person. Sharing of injection needles, surgical instruments with infected person, transfusion of blood or from an infected mother to the fetus. Except for hepatitis B, genital herpes, HIV infection, other diseases are completely curable if detected early and treated properly. So hepatitis B, genital herpes and HIV infection, except these three. Which are the three? Hepatitis B, genital herpes, HIV infection. Hepatitis B, genital herpes, HIV infection. Other diseases are completely curable only. Other disease curable means it can be totally treated and become well. If detected early and treated properly. But two conditions are there. It should be detected early and treated properly. Then only it will be the cure. But which are not curable? Hepatitis B, genital herpes and HIV infection. These three diseases are incurable. Other diseases are curable if we are detecting in early stages and treated properly. Early symptoms. Now we are going to the symptom. How we will be know that we are having this disease or that? The early symptoms of most of this minor and include itching. Early symptoms, most of these are minor and include itching, fluid discharge, slight pain, swellings, etc. in the genital region. The early symptoms of most of these are minor and include itching. Early symptoms of these are minor and include itching, fluid discharge, slight pain, swellings, etc. in the genital region. Early symptoms of most of these are minor and include itching, fluid discharge, slight pain, swelling, etc. in the genital region. Infected females may often be asymptomatic. Sometimes symptoms are not showing. Symptom you have to notice the one minor and include itching, fluid discharge, some fluid is coming outside, slight pain, some swellings also should be there. Infected females may often be asymptomatic. If asymptomatic means not showing any symptom and hence may remain undetected for long. Absence or less significant symptoms in the early stages of infection and the social stigma attached to the STDs deter the infected person from going for timely detection and proper treatment. Absence or less significant symptom in the early stages. Early stages, sometimes symptoms are not there, that is asymptomatic, or having less symptoms. Like that also there. Absence or less significant symptoms in the early stages of infection and social stigma. Socially, I am having some uh, sexually transmitted diseases like that. People consider it as shameful to get socially transmitted diseases. Deter the infected person from going for timely, so they are not going for timely detection and proper treatment. This could lead to complications later. Early treatment not getting, then what will be happen? Complications will be later, which include pelvic inflammatory diseases, this pelvic inflammatory disease, abortions, stillbirth, ectopic pregnancies, infertility, or even cancer of the reproductive plenty occur. So early treatment not giving, it will be more complicated, like pelvic inflammatory disease. A pelvic region is swelling out. Pelvic inflammatory disease. Abortion means the immature embryo, immature fetus is getting removed. That is abortion. Stillbirth means giving birth to the dead baby. Baby is dead. Ectopic pregnancies means in addition to the uterus, any other region of the female reproductive system, pregnancy will be developed. In addition to the, except uterus, any other part of the female reproductive system like that, fallopian tube, or oviduct, or any other part, especially fallopian tube sometimes occurring like that. So that is called ectopic pregnancy. Fetus should be attached to the uterus only. That is normal pregnancy. Except from this one, any other type of pregnancy, any other part of the reproductive system it is attached, then it is considered as ectopic. Infertility means not reproducing, or even cancer of the reproductive tract. So early symptoms, some itching will be there, minor and include itching, fluid discharges, slight pain, swelling, etc. in the genital region. But the majority of the cases, it is not showing any symptom like that, asymptomatic or showing very less symptoms. So we are not considering it as a disease. Moreover, some social stigma also attached to the STDs, sexually transmitted disease. So people are thinking, what about the condition like that? It is considered shameful only this. So also proper time people are not going for the treatment. So this will be leading to very complicated cases like that, pelvic inflammatory diseases, PID, abortions, stillbirth, ectopic pregnancies, infertility, or even cancer of the reproductive tract. Now, STDs are a major threat to healthy society. Therefore, prevention or early detection and cure of this disease are given prime consideration under the reproductive health care of the programs. So all persons are vulnerable to this infection. Any person can be get affected this. Their incidents are reported to be very high among persons in the age group of 15 to 24 years. Any age can be get affected by this disease. Then also a high amount of infection is reported in between the age group of 15 to 24 years. 15 to 24 years. Because adolescents only they are immature to handle the situation. The age group to which you also belong. So students, you also should be care that anybody can be occur this disease. Then proper treatment should be there in the early stage itself by a qualified doctor. Otherwise, it can cause very serious diseases afterwards. So all the age group, it is not related to age group. Then also majority cases or a very high cases are reported in the age group of 15 to 24 years. The age group to which you also belong. Don't panic. Prevention is in your hands. How to prevent? So these are the preventive measures given. Avoid sex with unknown partner, multiple partners. Avoid sex with unknown partner or multiple partner. Always use condoms during coitus. In case of doubt, go to a qualified doctor for early detection and get the complete treatment if diagnosed with the disease. So sexually transmitted disease, all of you understand. One more time I will say that because in this age all of you have to take care, but don't panic that so it is not occurring like that. If it is occurring, then also in the early stage itself you have to consult a very good or qualified doctor. It is most of the diseases are curable only. So sexually transmitted disease, first a definition only given. Diseases or infection which are transmitted through sexual intercourse are collectively called the sexually transmitted diseases or venereal disease or reproductive tract infections. Diseases or infections which are transmitted through sexual intercourse are collectively called sexually transmitted disease or venereal disease or reproductive tract infection. Gonorrhea, syphilis, genital herpes, chlamydiasis, genital warts, trichomoniasis, hepatitis B, and of course, the most discussed infection in the recent years. HIV leading to AIDS are some of the common STDs. HIV is the AIDS causing virus. Among this, HIV infection is most dangerous. About AIDS disease described in the lesson number 8. Some of the infections like hepatitis B and HIV, which are the two diseases, hepatitis B and HIV, can also be transmitted by. How it is transmitted, that is very important only by sharing needles, surgical instruments, etc. with infected persons. Transfusion of blood or from an infected mother to the fetus. By sharing of injection needles, surgical instruments with infected persons, transfusion of blood or from an infected mother to the fetus. Except for hepatitis B, genital herpes, HIV infections, other diseases are completely curable if detected early and treated properly. The early symptoms of most of these are minor and include itching. Which are the symptoms? See that itching, fluid discharge, slight pain. Fluid discharge means sometimes some fluid coming outside from the burns. Slight pain, swelling, etc. in the genital region. Infected females may often be asymptomatic and hence may remain undetected for long. Absence or less significant symptoms in the early stages of infection and the social stigma attached to the STDs deter the infected persons from going for timely detection and proper treatment. This could lead to complications later, which include which are the disease can be occur if proper treatment is not getting. That is also important only. Which are the diseases that pelvic inflammatory diseases, pelvic inflammatory diseases, abortion, stillbirth, ectopic pregnancy, infertility or even cancer of the reproductive tract. cancer of the reproductive tract, 12-week inflammatory diseases, abortions, stillbirth, ectopic pregnancies, infertility, or even cancer of the reproductive tract. STDs are a major threat to the healthy society. Therefore, prevention or early detection and cure of this disease are given prime consideration. What are given prime consideration? Prevention or early detection, cure of the disease of given prime consideration under the reproductive health care programs. So all persons are vulnerable to this infection. Their incidence are reported to be very high among persons in the age group of 15 to 24 years. The age group to which you also belong, you are also belonging to this age group only. Majority, any age group can be occur. By this, you understood why this age group is showing high infection rate, because this age is not taking any care. Don't panic. Prevention is in your hands. You could be free of this infection if you follow the simple principles given below. Avoid sex with unknown partners or multiple partners. Avoid sex with the unknown partners or multiple partners. Always use condoms during coitus. In case of doubt, go to a qualified doctor for early detection and get a complete treatment if diagnosed with the disease. Avoid sex with the unknown partners or multiple partners. Always use condoms during coitus. In case of doubt, go to a qualified doctor for early detection and get a complete treatment if diagnosed with the disease. By these three methods, it is not affected. Which are the avoid sex with unknown partner or multiple partner. Always use condoms during coitus. In case of doubt, go to a qualified doctor for early detection and get a complete treatment if diagnosed with the diseases. These are. So now we are discussing this topic only, sexually transmitted disease. Avoid sex with unknown partners or multiple partners. Always try to use condoms during coitus. In doubt, one should go to a qualified doctor for early detection and get a complete treatment if diagnosed with the infection. So I think that all of you understood very well about the STDs. Along with that, you start to learn well also, because 2021 your result also will become then that you have to score well. So best of luck to all of you. One more time I am saying my number is there in the WhatsApp. If you have any problem related with any topic, up to now we have covered, you have to call me in the number. Then homework also regularly you have to do. And any doubt is arises, you can call directly, and take care that exercise given at the end of the lesson, exercise which are given at the end of the lesson, you have to answer in the notebook lesson wise. If you are answering all the questions given at the end of the textbook, then there is no doubt that you are going to get a high mark only. In this year also, there were no failures in biology. Full students are, our 23 students are there, all the 23 are passed in biology and they got a high mark also. So every lessons at end, what are the exercises given, so that you have to solve in the notebook. Extra question I will send you for you. Understood?